Welcome to Bond Photography's series on Hidden Britain. In this series we will explore unusual, interesting or hard to find locations around the UK. Enjoy! Not far from Blackfriars stations and tucked away behind the Unilever and JP Morgan building in Dorset Rise is a superb sculpture of St George and the Dragon. Although in front of a Premier Inn hotel, it is in a public square with some seating so easily visited. It is a bronze sculpture by the Dorset artist Michael Sandel and was completed in 1988. It shows St George dressed in armour thrusting his lance into the dragon. Being mounted on a grid, it is easy to see him clearly. The dragon is wrapped around the column with 4 brass tubes extending from its mouth, which create a fountain, but it was not on when I visited. If you enjoyed this, why not watch the previous episodes? And don't forget to subscribe, as new content is put up weekly.